Howdy. Today we're going to talk about Multimedia Science's Projectile Hoops Challenge. This application is a challenge for students to be able to use the initial conditions, in this case the initial velocity and the angle that a projectile is launched, and then they need to place the hoops at the correct y distance given the x distance of 100, 200, 300 meters. They get 10 tries and they get a score based on how many of the hoops they hit. There are some directions to help the students figure out how to play the game. There's a high score table which allows students to put their names in, a little bit of competition. Students can certainly guess. Very difficult to consistently certainly hit all of the hoops by guessing. Along with the application, there's also a set of two labs. One is a fill-in step-by-step where students shoot a projectile and try to hit a spot and hit a spot at an angle and finally be able to shoot a projectile through a number of hoops. There's a second version of the same lab with the required material, a step-by-step procedure, data table. So this is a much more typical lab report. If you're interested in the Projectile Hoops Challenge software or looking at any of the other multimedia science and teacher tools, software, and materials, please go to Teachers Pay Teachers at this URL. Thanks.